Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Pixel and following the on-screen language and accessibility prompts. This gets you into the setup flow quickly. Once done, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network so system updates and account verification complete faster. Make sure your Google account credentials are available because you'll sign in to restore apps and settings. If you use a SIM, insert it now or choose eSIM. This enables cellular activation. Doing these first prevents delays later in the process. Next, choose how you want apps and data restored. Direct cable transfer is fastest, while cloud restore is convenient. Either way, follow the prompts to copy messages, photos, and apps. Then set up security, create a PIN or pattern, and enroll fingerprint for quick unlocking. This protects your accounts. Make sure to review app permissions when prompted and enable location and backup so Google services and Find My device work properly. After these steps, your phone behaves like your previous device. Finally, complete Google services setup by customizing Assistant, enabling backups, and adjusting personalization. This tailors suggestions and restores settings. Update the Play Store apps and check system updates in settings to ensure you have the latest security and feature patches. Test calling, messaging, Wi-Fi, camera, and biometric unlocking to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, restart the phone first. If persistent, boot to safe mode to isolate apps. And use a factory reset only if nothing else fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.